Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about this idiom which says actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. This idiom, this expression, is used when someone says something and acts in a different way. You know, sometimes you come across people that say, yeah, I'm very generous, I am so kind, I have helped this charity, and the other one, I am the founder of this one and the other one, and all those stuff, and just talks about these things. And then when an action is needed, when someone needs help, when someone needs some help that we know this person can do, or something like this, then they do not turn up, they just disappear, or they just show the other side of, the other side of the coin. So they're different, okay? So we can see that there is a big gap, there is a big difference between what they say and they believe about themselves and what they really do. Their action is not a reflection of their words. It's completely different. So in these cases, we tell them, or if we act like this, we would be told that actions speak louder than words. Means, yeah, you say that, but you are acting in a different way. I can read from your actions what you are. Okay, so when actions and words are not exactly the same and they are different from each other, then we vote for actions. We look at the actions and see what they do. We do not listen to what they say. Most probably you have this expression, this idiom in your language. There are some expressions that are very common. There are equivalents of them in different languages. Some of them are among some people in one country, some others, and one language, let's say. Some others have got equivalents in the other parts of the world as well, in other languages as well. And this one is one of those ones that is on the top. So you can find the same thing, the same saying, or a quotation from a great teacher or something like that in different cultures and different languages, from east to west. According to statistics, there are lots of idioms and expressions that are equal to this one. Nearly every language has got something to express this, and this is the English one. And also in some languages there are 2, 3 or more expressions that say the same thing. Okay, if you've got some for me, just comment it below this video, let me learn those ones as well, and write the literal translation as well. I'll be glad to learn something as well. Alright, now let's look at these examples. You keep saying that you'll do your homework. Remember, actions speak louder than words. Yeah, this is like a child just saying, yeah, I'll do that, yeah, I'll do that, I'll do that, but just procrastinating and playing and just leaving things and postponing and not doing what they promise. Okay, in these cases, then what we say is this: actions speak louder than words. Means what you're doing is different from what you say. You say you'll do that, but I can see that you won't, and you're not doing it. So your actions is different from your words, from what you say. The other example is, don't tell me what to do, show me. Actions speak louder than words. Imagine you're telling someone how to play a musical instrument or how to dance. You just tell them, okay, raise your hand, do this, do that, and that's not enough. And it is not, that what you say and what you do is different. No. It tells this example is telling us that this is easier to learn from watching one doing it rather than just talking about it. So in these cases also you can use the same expression. Actions speak louder than words. So in teaching, if one acts, then you learn more rather than compared to the time when they just say that. You go to a music class and the teacher tells you, okay, hold it with your left hand, now hit in the middle, yeah, exactly there, yeah. That's rubbish. The person needs to hold the instrument and show us, hold it this way, hit it this way. Then that speaks louder than words, doesn't it? Alright, so yeah, these were the places in two examples. We used it in two different areas, but meaning the same thing. Write some examples if you like, using these ones, or just tell me what this is in your language. Comment it below this video, I'll be glad to see your comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye!